And oh man. Good job, Beau. Put some more in there. Good job. Beau. What is this? That's a penny? Good job. That is a penny. You see a quarter? Is that a big quarter? Put it in your bank. Oh, you want Bubbles to reach it for you? Here you go. All right, put it in your bank. Put it in there. Big quarter. Good job. Penny. You gonna put a penny in your bank? That's a quarter. Quarter. Say, oh man. Put your money in. Good job.
More.
Did it go in there?
More. Turn it in.
Do you see quarters in there and pennies? How many are in there?
Right there.
Right there. What's down there?
Penny, that's it.
Pennies and quarters?
Hold in there.
Quarters in there. Yep. Did you put them all in there?
Oh, there. Oh, hear that?
Hear that? Did that make a noise?
No, lucky.
Monkey! You're crazy. Beau, give me a monkey high five.
Monkey.
Good job.
High five.
Monkey high five. Who you yelling to?
Mickey.
Monkey?
Noise.
Noise. Are you making noise?
Noise.
Noise. Look, put this one in your bank. You put it in your pocket. Do you even have a pocket?
Pocket.
You don't have a pocket.
Oh.
Good job, Beau.
More penny.
You threw them all over the place.
1, 2, 1.
That's crazy.
What to do?
Good job. Put it all in there.
Hi.
If you put all your money in there, you get candy.
Hi.
Hi. Oh, you threw them up high. Good job.
More.
More.
Hi.
Do it one more. Ooh. Good job, Beau. Now put some in your bank. Go like this.